Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be smarty do apple so. Now, INEC chairman, Professor Mahmoud Yakubu, don't come outside. They say, see, the court case where they started, they say no understand. I say, say politicians say that they waste their time. His words, not mine. They said they should just go ahead and accept the results. Going to court, he said, will not restore your mandate. Accept it. He said, there's nothing you can do about it. It's a done deal. Now, the first one when I talk this one, so not be anybody talk about. It's all this court to the say they sharp their amount that they go so. Say that they waste their time. Not be anybody time that they waste. It's not their own time that they waste. Say because he don't understand why some people just sit down and say, well, say that they go court. Say no understand them. Say because it not make sense. He said they should see. Say they should respect themselves, accept the mandate, and move forward. Well, if Mahmoud don't talk this one, some people don't make up their mind though. Some people don't make up their mind. Because if you talk like this, and I say you don't make up their mind. Well, my lovely people, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. Let's get all the details. Politicians should accept election results. Going to court will not restore your mandate. Be wise, INEC chairman declares. The Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, has reportedly advised Nigerian politicians to accept the election results, whether they win or lose. According to the news stories published today by Punch newspaper online, to ensure free, fair, and credible election in Nigeria, INEC has taken action. Politicians should admit defeat, congratulate the winner. As a result, according to INEC, politicians must behave properly and not become unruly because they were defeated. So they should behave themselves politely. Throughout the election process, disputes and all that, result has been called. You are going to court to determine who won to Nigeria in democracy because it is costly. We cannot afford to truncate our democracy. We must accept what we have. So we will not resort to outlaw and outrage in the country. The Independent National Electoral Commission, or INEC, spokesman also cautioned politicians contesting election results in court. Politicians should truly accept the outcome of every election result, whether they contested in court or whatever. They should accept it and move on. The public knows, and we all know. Media, we all know. So the best thing for everyone to do is to accept this and move on so that as a nation, we can begin to prepare for a new administration and put things in order. Why are they all hell-bent on resuscitating what is not there? I've said it before, the result has been called. Going to court will not make you the winner of the election. Going to court will only show how desperate you truly are. People should accept this and move on. The result has been called and we all know who won. People who did not win should go ahead and call others to congratulate them so that we can, move on. Going to court will not bring it back to you. Wow. When I don't hear the matter, they say whether you go court or you not go court or they say they disturb yourself. You don't hear, they say trust me, they say you they disturb yourself. Say you don't know what they do. They say you don't know what they do now. Sure, you know the yes. They say you know what they do. Say because if you know what they do, you know go they worry yourself. Say because everybody knows say election result has been called. Because say yes, sir. Say whether you like them or not. Say no go make sure, no go call bridge, say you call now come make you win. He say no. So Naija, na don hear am. They say make you take caution. The Igbo person say a word is enough for the wise. A word is enough for the wise. By the way, for any song from Apple Limit and a hit, na Grammy. If you like to come, you let me know. Go send personal invitation. Say Grammys are waiting, so that you can have your copy, your invitation because you na black tie event. Maybe for the guests you wear dinner gown, for the men you wear suit. You dey wear with if you like both or you like a tie. Now your hand day go look great. So na black tie event. So now there we do. You don't see am. All hands on deck, all hands on that. Another hit. And so the teacher they hit us, not be small thing they happen. So anyway, my people, you don't see them for yourself. Say we truly must move forward. We truly must make advancement in terms of ensuring that our nation become what it needs to be. Yes, so you can see for yourself that every time people neglect who they really are and begin to look at other things that really are not there, then we have really deceived ourselves. And so if we really want to make move to ensure that the right things are done, then we need to do the right thing decently and in order and thoroughly. Yes, so that's what the matter be. Anyway, my people, you don't see them. They say the right thing must be done so that Nigeria go fee move forward. Nigeria will go forward, forward ever. And Nigeria will make progress. So now there we do. Anyway, you don't see them. And so they say if you want to make things they way, Yakub say may you not they go worry yourself, they go do this, they go that, may you just humble yourself, may you just put yourself, for as the matter be, may you just let things go so that at the end of the day, truly sincerely speaking, things go change and the nation will become a better place. Yes, so it is what it is. So when you see the way things be, you can understand say we are all in this together. And there is nobody will say because I be champion for this matter. No, nobody be champion. All of us did the same page. Oh. We want to make sure say at the end of the day, Nigeria become a great place for every single person. Oh, yes. So this is what it is really. It is what it is. So may we not forget, say, together we can make a whole lot of difference. We can make Nigeria a better place, and we all can together make this nation what it needs to be. Yes. So please don't forget, you are important, and you stand a great chance. We are all together, and at the end of the day, we must ensure that all things are done decently and in order. Okay, so what do we do and how do we sort this out? Okay, what do we do? So this is what is happening, and this is why the we cannot afford to leave things because some people say so. Okay, so now where we did. Please don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic and a lovely day. From us is bye for now.